would be open to accepting 100% of your pay in Libra. In the history of this country, there is a term for being paid in a corporate-controlled currency. Do you know what that term is?
I do not, Congresswoman.
It's called Scrip. Are you familiar with Scrip?
I am not, Congresswoman.
The idea that your pay could be controlled by a corporation instead of a sovereign government, do you think that there's any risk here? You know, we've seen from Scrip to the issues with how Facebook handled our elections. We're seeing a destabilizing in our public goods. By facilitating instantaneous purchases to a digital wallet, Calibra and Libra, how could, my time has expired. Thank you very much.